everyone, and welcome back. Today, we're working with the V puff stitch, a soft, bouncy little stitch that adds texture and tiny pops of interest to your fabric. As I was practicing this one, it reminded me of stuffed animals and small comforts, those little things that quietly make a day feel softer. So this crochet-along is really about that, tiny puffs of joy, one stitch at a time. These V puffs are so small, but they change the whole feel of the piece. Suddenly, the fabric isn't just flat, it's textured and playful and a bit bouncy. It makes me think of the little things that add texture to our days. A warm drink, a song you love, a silly inside joke, a soft blanket, or a favorite stuffed animal. None of them fix everything, but they do make the day gentler to touch. Maybe, as you work each puff, you can think of one small thing that brings you a bit of comfort. Nothing huge, just one little puff of joy at a time. Sometimes we dismiss these softer details as extra or unnecessary in crochet and in life. We tell ourselves we should just be efficient, practical, and productive. But if you look at your fabric right now, the V puffs are part of what makes it special. They're not a waste. They're the part your fingers will probably reach for first. The same is true for the gentle things in your life, the hobbies, the quiet evenings, the people who make you laugh. They may not look essential on paper, but they're often what makes everything else bearable. We're nearly at the end of our V-Puff rows today. I hope this little stitch reminded you that joy doesn't always arrive as something big and loud. Sometimes it's just a soft, bouncy moment in the middle of an ordinary day, like a favorite stuffed animal or a row of cozy puffs in your project. If these mindful crochet-alongs and soft little stitches keep you company, you're always welcome to like the video, subscribe, or share it with someone who might need a tiny bit of comfort too. For now, it's enough to notice the small, quiet joys, one V-Puff at a time. Until next time, keep crafting quietly.